If you enable the Tele Converter feature on the GH5 when shooting video, you can actually extend the zoom range from 10 to 25mm to about 10 to 72mm when shooting 1080p. When shooting 4K, you can get up to 10 to 36mm range because you get about 1.4 times crop with the Tele Converter. And in 1080p, you get even more crop, which is about 3 times crop, which turns your 25 into about 72, the 50mm into 145mm full frame equivalent focal length. So that is actually pretty versatile if you don't mind the 1080p image quality, especially for 4K recording. The 10 to 25 is about full frame equivalent 20 to 70mm lens, so it's actually standard zoom range with extra 4mm on the wide end with super fast aperture f1.7. Really cool lens to have if you shoot mainly videos.